Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to generate a trade report or summary in MetaTrader 4. We'll also cover how to set the time period to all history, last 3 months, and last month. Let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader platform. Make sure you are logged into your trading account. Step 1. Navigating to the Account History tab. To access the trade report, go to the terminal window and click on the Account History tab, selecting the desired time range. In the Account History tab, you can see a list of your previous trades. To set the time period for the trade report, right-click anywhere in the Account History tab and choose the desired time range option. You can select All History to include all your trade history or choose last 3 months or last month for specific time periods. Step 3. Adding additional columns. To include additional columns in the trade report, simply right-click within the Account History tab. From the right-click menu, you will find a list of available columns that you can enable or disable. Look for the columns such as taxes, commissions, and comments in the list and make sure they are checked to display them in the trade report. Step 4. Generating the report. Once you have set your preferences and time period, the trade report will automatically update based on the selected options. The report will display all the trades within the chosen time range, including the additional columns you have enabled. Step 5. Exporting the report. If you want to save the trade report for future reference, you can right-click anywhere within the report and select Save as Detailed Report. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, and it will be saved as an HTML or CSV file format.